Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of playing with numbers. This is 8th question of its exercise 3.5. So the question says that the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is divisible by 4. Verify this statement with the help of some examples. Some examples लेते हैं कुछ. Sum of two consecutive odd numbers. So first लेते हैं 3, then next consecutive odd number हो जाएगा हमारा 5, then sum of. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 and which is divisible by 4. नेक्स्ट ले लेते हैं 7, then next consecutive odd number हो जाएगा 9. 9 plus 7 is 16 which is also divisible by 4. So the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is divisible by 4. Thank you.